So my family is going to kill me. Yeah. Okay. What am I doing? Anyways, I want my other nostril, but like a tiny stud. So like, well, you can't see right now, but I have like a tiny stud. It's a long L bar because I hate the spiral and I hate the straight bar, and I just thought my short L-shaped like studs were ugly. So we have a long one. I am going to take out this ring. Ooh, that feels so weird. Ooh, it feels so, looks so ugly. Oh my god. Anyways, I don't know what I'm doing. I want to take this ring out so that I can mark, oh my god, I'm shaking. So that I can mark this side so that if you look down, they're like even. I really wanted 2 hoops, like a second one, but the way my nostril is, it's pierced smack in the middle and it just wouldn't work. So I was like, why not do like a tiny stud? Let's see if you can see. Hold on. Probably not. Okay. I feel like that's good though. Can you see? Hold on. Focus. Like right there. I think that's fine. Whatever. Well, my nose is my nose crooked? I don't know. Okay. So okay, see, I feel like this way is probably better because it's holding everything secure, but I also like feel like I can't see. So what do? I really don't know what angle to pierce at. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, that wasn't bad at all. Okay, cool. That was easy. I freaked out for no reason. It's a little red. Well, that straight didn't hurt at all. I was just like freaking out for no reason. Is it pierced in the right spot? Oh my god, I think it actually is. Damn, I really need to go be a piercer. Straight up though. Straight up. A piercing apprenticeship or some shit. Oh god. Here we go again. Oh no. Oh. There we go. Perfect. It's in. Oh, the inside of my nose is bleeding a little. That's fine. Well, that's that. That's my, here, let's go this way. It's my little double nose piercing. Zoom in. My healed one. I think it's angled pretty good, like straight, but yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed. Be sure to check out my let's see if you can see it, my snug piercing video. It's my 1 month update, so I need to film that. Basically, she's doing real good, healing great. But yeah, I guess go check out my other videos. Yeah. Bye guys.